How to log into Umpqua Bank online banking. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to google.com. In the search bar, type Umpqua Bank and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official website of Umpqua Bank. Once on the homepage, locate and click on the Login option. Select your appropriate login type from the available options. New user? Click on Start here. For this guide, select Personal Banking. Enter your login ID in the designated field. If you have forgotten your credentials, you may click on Forgot Your ID or Password to recover them. Proceed by clicking on Login. On the next page, enter your password. You may choose to show or hide your password by clicking on the visibility option provided. Finally, click on Submit to securely access your Umpqua Bank online banking account.